crushing pain deep down in my heart. I've got that lonely longing feeling, and it's tearing me apart. And though I wish I could win you back, I know the picture is white and black. So no matter what I do, I gotta keep getting over you. I'm doubled over in my bed most every night. Riled up and red-eyed, like I've just been in a fight.
Quest'anno obiettivo raggiunto, abbiamo superato le 100 barche, 102 iscritti, siamo tornati ai numeri prima del Covid, il lungomare è gremito di persone, la tradizione anche quest'anno è stata rispettata.
Like this, not ever before. Don't know if I should try again. Can my heart take any more?